Hi children. Now we are going to know about types of plants. In the previous class we already learnt about parts of a plant. Plants are different as they have different heights, different stems, different leaves, different flowers, different vegetables and different fruits. We can sort plants into different groups depending on their stems. Look at the stems of the plants and sort them into 6 groups: climbers, creepers, herbs, shrubs, trees, and grasses. Climbers. Some plants have weak stems and cannot stand straight. Some of these plants climb using support such as wall, rocks and sticks. They are called climbers. Example: money plant and grape plant. Creepers. Creepers are weak stems. They grow and spread on the ground because its fruits are heavy and big. They cannot climb because the heavy fruits will break the plants or fruits will not grow properly. Some creepers with light fruits like bitter gourd can be given support to climb. Herbs. Herbs are small plants with a soft and thin green stem. Many herbs live only for few months. For example, tulsi, mint, spinach, and coriander. Many herbs are added to food to give flavor. For example, mint, coriander leaves. Shrubs have woody stems. Their branches grow very close to the ground. They are stronger and have lots of branches. Most of the shrubs live for many years. For example, rose plant, cotton plant, hibiscus. Trees. Trees are tall and big plants. They have a thick brown and woody stem. They have many branches coming out of the thick trunk. They live many years. For example, mango tree, neem tree, coconut tree. Grasses. Grasses have very small stem. Usually, grasses are short and grow close to the ground. They have short and green soft stem. They are mostly herbs. Some grasses like bamboos, which are tall like trees. Sugarcane is a grass because it has no branches and have thin and long leaves at the top. Sugarcane looks more like a bamboo can. Okay students, today what we learned? Today we learned about types of plants. How many groups of plants could we sort them? The plants sorted into 6 groups. They are climbers, creepers, herbs, shrubs, trees and grasses. On what basis did you sort them into these groups? The stems in all the groups are different. What are the difference between climbers and creepers? Climbers are climb with help of support. Creepers are grow spread on the ground. Both are weak stems. What are the difference between herbs and shrubs? Herbs are thin, weak and soft stem. Shrubs are woody stem. It grow close to the ground. It branches. Both have stronger stem than climbers and creepers. What are the difference between trees and grasses? Trees are tall and thick woody stem and grasses are small thin stem. Grass like bamboo is as big as a tree. Okay students, you listen this video and do the worksheet. First one, match the following. Write the answer in your rough note. Next, fill in the blanks. First question, dash are grow and spread on the ground because its fruits are very big. Second question, some plants have weak stem and cannot stand straight are called dash. Third question, dash like bamboo is as big as a tree. Fourth question, dash have woody stem and their branches grow very close to the ground. Fifth question, dash are tall and big plants. Write the answers in your rough note. Thank you children.